The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 28th. Harold, good morning and welcome. Guys, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Dennis, Paul, Don, fellas, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yesterday was essentially a chop fest in this 3,900 zone to 3,930. We're still pushing 3,930. Thank you, Scott. Nothing's changed. Nothing at all. I'll go over charts in a minute, but we are surely coiling for a big move. I don't know that that's going to be up or down. I suspect down, but we're hanging in there. Coming into the session this morning, guys, we are green. NASDAQ up 62. ES up 23 handles. YM up 203 points. EMD and Russell also up. Gold has now gone, it's up $2. Silver's up slightly. Crude is up $1.75, $1.78. Natty gas bouncing nicely. Everything is green. Corn, soybeans, copper is green. Bonds are down. Stocks are green across the board. One stock I wanted to look at was Goldman Sachs. Up $5. Nice. Good morning, Becky. Hey, Floyd. Welcome back, man. Welcome back. Good to have you back in the room. Guys, today is, again, Tuesday. I don't think we have much on the calendar. I do think, let me look at news. I do think Powell speaks, but it's tomorrow. Consumer confidence at 10. That's expected to fall 6 points. We do have some small 8:30 news. Housing price index at 9. Richmond Fed's Thomas, Barkin speaks, and Daly speaks. Barkin at 8, so he's momentarily, and then at 12:30 Daly, so we won't even be in the room for her. And I do think Powell is tomorrow. No earnings that we're interested in. Earnings start a couple of weeks. Yeah, tomorrow, 9 o'clock in the morning, Powell. So nothing really of any major interest. Good morning, Deepak. I will quickly read the disclaimer, and then we will get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this room are mine. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. My first target would be right around VWAP, maybe 75. Take a look at order flow real quick, and I'll show you. So here's crude, 2,200 net buyers. We're set up to pull back. Gold, going to lose these buyers. You have a short on gold. There it is. If anybody took it, I gave you an order flow trade. The bot's rolling over. The bot looks like it's going to roll over somewhere around just above the high of the day or the low of the day. Stack sellers, block trades. There's my 24 target. I think we can come lower. ES unfinished auction here at 20. I gave it to you at 24. If anyone took ES short at 24. We do have 1,500, give or take, net buyers. Decent volume. NASDAQ, decent volume. Coming down to VWAP. If anybody is short, that was at 91 when I said it. You got 10 handles in it almost. Anybody short ES or NQ or gold? Okay, guys. Okay. Cha-ching. Short CL below 111.10, huh? There's your 20 target on ES. That's target one. The entry on gold was 20. Where did I see that? 25.4. 24 was target one. Gold's going to have to break down below 22.7, which may be the day low. ES, next target down 0.8. But you got your first target. Copper's up. Natural gas getting a pullback, but I like natty gas longs. It's a trade I'm watching today. We should tag VWAP, guys. Whoa, VWAP. How's that happen? Here comes the breakdown in ES. The CL bot trade. I mean, I have my bot on. I have the original on. All right, there's gold on the bot. Come on, 5 more. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. Come on, don't be bashful. It's got a break right here. 2 more ticks, fellas. Hit target filled. Target hit and filled. Anybody take the bot trade? Anybody take GC? Okay. All right, fellas. Nice job on crude. I'm looking for crude to bounce, though. Maybe not. Hey, kiddo. Nice job, Ricky. Good flight back. This may bounce back to 24.3. Aha. Well, then it won't be hard to get her back down here this summer. Nice job, Billy. Billy. What movie's that from? Billy. See, some of you new guys don't know. You know, we do movie quotes all the time. That's right. That's right, Greg. Caddyshack. That's right. Yeah, I'm looking to see if we get a bounce on crude. I'm not big on crude shorts. We've been up all night, so we're getting a pullback. You're very welcome. So what we're going to do here, guys, is we're coming into the end of June. Friday will be July 1st. When we come back from break, which will be Tuesday, Monday, I'm fairly certain is a federal holiday. When we come back on Tuesday, I'm going to be starting the funded trader groups all over again. So anybody that has not been funded or maybe has gotten funded, give me a ripper. Give me a ripper. Come on, 6, 7 more ticks. I'll take it. Come on, buddy. One pop. Gold is short, fellas. Got to get through 60 and 72. 3 ticks to that first target, which is 20 ticks. All right, I'll take one off. Sucker. I'm out ahead of the open, guys. If it gets above 20, it trades back to 30, John. So I would think that works, but I won't be taking it. There goes crude. Crude opens up here in a minute. I'll take my breakfast break. All right, fellas, I'm going to breakfast. This was a very... Yes, hanging in there for the moment. goes NASDAQ above this 83. Have buyers. I've got bots on, guys. There you go. If you took it above 83, your first target is 95. 95. There it is, 95. Free trade now. If you guys are paying attention, you're in at 83. Stop should be break even. Candle closed below VWAP's going to give you the short. A lot of sellers, guys. 2,800 sellers. What bot was what? I have no bot trade. I have no idea what you're talking about, Paul. No. Breaking out on the ES, fellas, above 30. You guys want to be long. You guys want to be long. ES. 30 should now be support. Target is 39.65. You guys want to be long ES? I couldn't move it one last time. Dang it. All right, something filled. NASDAQ bot filled and filled target instantly. NASDAQ bot filled and filled target instantly. Yeah, we're 144. I'm lagging a bit on the NASDAQ, but not in the ES. Anybody take that ES melt up to 47? We're going higher in the ES. We're going to 65. Okay. Nice job, Chuck. NASDAQ should go to 200. I'm going to take a NASDAQ long on a move above 45. No, got me. It's not, you're going to, guys, this is a, it's volatile as hell, but we're trying to go up. And now we're sticking at 49. There's your break, 49. Come on, you little devil. Let's go. Get above 49 and go. Come on, seriously. Let's go. There we go. Pop it. Pop it. Come on. You got him. Let's go. There's nothing here. Come on. Let's go. Doesn't want to go, fellas. If you're long, just be careful. There we go. Come on. Blow it up to 65. Here we go. Come on. Another little bit of resistance here. I'm not paying any attention to SPX. Should have bought him yesterday, 39.50s. I did not. I looked at him. I didn't buy him. Come on. Seriously. We're going to retrace this damn move. I had a ton of money in it and didn't close the trade. I'm hitting this one more time up here, guys. I'm long NASDAQ again. I had a ton of money in it from the earlier break and took a loss on the trade. It's trying to squeeze up. I have a bot trade somewhere. God dang, this NASDAQ, man, just will not. Let's go. Squeeze it. I have 3 long, guys. I had a ton of money in the last trade, and like I say, I'm looking for the move up to 190 to 200. But trade them as you see fit. Right back down again. Still does not want to break out. There we go. That's the trade I was looking for. No, still not going. It's, up $900. You are a dirt rat bag for real. Let's go. Come on, NASDAQ. Go get 190 to 200. I'll take 190. Get above this swing high. Small sellers. Right back down. God dang this thing. It's not a short, guys. It is not a short. Come on, NASDAQ, go get 190. It's only 30 handles. It is not a short. I'm telling you it's not. It's not a short, guys. It's going up. I'm just telling you, it's going up. Trade them as you see fit. It's going up. It's a long. Waiting for news at 10? I don't know. I don't know what it's waiting for, but it ain't a short. Unless we drop below 120. We should trade 12,203. I don't have anything in a short, Keith. I mean, if you guys think that you see something, go ahead and sell it or buy it. I'm telling you, it's not a short. ES is going to trade to 65. Dun, 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 dun. I got nothing, fellas. Nothing other than we're in longs. We're just hanging here. We could pull back to 110 on the NASDAQ. ES could pull back to 34. Watch crude above VWAP. Got a gold short, guys, on the bot. Crude failed. There's target. Target hit. Gold's a short. Order flow short. It's coming down. Gold's a short. Sellers back in the NASDAQ. Below 20, I said, was the short. Crude, if it gets through VWAP, I would be long. $111.15. Crude. It's got to get above 10. Here's the move. What looks like the start of the next move. Kind of sideways, fellas. I'm waiting on crude to do something or NASDAQ to move back up. Crude doesn't want to move yet. NASDAQ, guys, I have us in longs. It was a fairly short. Prior was reduced or adjusted to 103.2 from 106.4. Watch Eddie break below, close below VWAP. Come on, let's go. Do something. Get out of this slop. Crude doing nothing. Gold flat. Russell flat. NASDAQ. Candle close below VWAP. Come on, keep coming. Come on. Let's go. This should come down to 80. No. Should get 80 anyways, guys. There we go. 81. Seriously? You can't give me 80? Now I got 80. There's your trade. I'm shorting my cash account. Got a bot trade. Still holding one. Closed one for profit. Still holding one. 47 area for this is going to be some support, 52 to 47. But I'm looking now for a breakdown into 39. Come on. Come on, break it down. Out. I'm flat. Oh, got out too soon. Anybody short below VWAP, fellas? Boy, did I. Anybody take that short below VWAP? You guys know. Okay, Johan. Damn it, I missed crude. Anybody take crude long above VWAP? I had a pending buy too. All right, guys, nice job. I missed crude above VWAP. I had a pending buy and took it off when it didn't move. Thought, oh, I do have a bot trade. All right, so we got a couple of bot trades here. NASDAQ, ES, and YM. Target filled. Target filled. Filling them, baby. Filling them. We're going to sell off. Target filled. Both targets filled. Bots up 907 with runners. Target filled. Bots up 1182.50. Target filled. Bots up 1427. My bots will now auto shut off because I have a $500 daily goal. So I'll have to manually turn them back on. Anybody have any questions? Damn it. Boy, did I kill a good trade. Son of a biatch. Nice job, Gary. Go reach for the day. Now we're coming into yesterday's low. Back into yesterday's close. So all we've done is retrace the overnight move at this point, guys. A lot of sellers, though. 3,700 on the NASDAQ. If we get back up above 12,050, we probably trade back up maybe 60, back up into VWAP. I still think, fellas, we go up. I think this is a trap. Richmond Fed is saying fewer rate hikes. Is anybody not making money yet, guys? Is there anybody not making money? I think we go up. We held 320. Got to be long. Got to be long, ES at 320. Got to be long. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna buy 2. Yeah, it's a little choppy. I mean, this is not but listen, I think we're going back up, guys. 20 is, we reclaimed 20. We're fighting around that 20 again. I really don't want to go much lower. But if 20 holds, this goes back to 30. NASDAQ gets above this level here, and we go back up. We're going back up, is what I think. I think this is wrong. I think they've just now drawn in shorts, and now they'll use those stops to go higher. Anybody long ES, fellas? As always, trade them as you see fit. Damn, I'm pissed I missed crude. Pissed I missed crude. Trade them for your accounts, right? Man, it's a big move in crude. We get one more 15 range candle here, and we're going to get that first target quick. Let's see here, 22, 26, we get it. Two more ticks. Right here. Right here. Come on, push. One more tick. Come on, baby. Give me that next candle. Give it to me. Give it to me. Got it. Boom. Should be good to go, baby. Should be good to go. 2,000 in your funded account and 1,850 on your combine. You're welcome, Tom. Come on. Where NASDAQ stopped. Right in my line. Trade ES as you see fit. But again, they just drew in a shoot ton of shorts, and I think they're going to make them pay. Come on, cross VWAP and go. Watch gold above VWAP. You hit fund. Let's see here. You hit funding target on 4 accounts this morning. Nice. All right. Anybody else funded today, guys? Anybody else get funded today? So Jeff has 4 today. We have 63 for June. What? Today is June 28th. Anybody else funded today? There you go. Right back to entry on this. Damn net ES. Came back. We're back testing that area. Come on, NASDAQ, we need some help. Anybody have any questions, guys? Today is not a day to overtrade. How about my trials? Any questions from trials? I'm not even sure we have any trials in here today. Trials and tribulations. Lower high in this last push. Come on, yes, go get it. We can get some help from the NASDAQ. We would get, this move would be fast. $39.10 double bottom. I surely don't want to see it at $39.10. All right, fellas. We get back above 20. Come on, this thing is trying like the dickens. NASDAQ is just being a complete non-event for us. NASDAQ is dragging us here. On the bot, almost to target. Target filled gold. NASDAQ now looks like 95. Yesterday's low, 95. ES maybe come back to, let me see where ES can come. 12, see if that holds. If we break the low of the day, we probably trade back to 3,900. Doop-de-doo. Missed gold crude short below VWAP as well, 96. Okay, JC. Guys, it's another, much like yesterday, very slow session. Yet a YM short below VWAP and RTY. No bot trades. I manually have turned them back on, but there are no trades. Bots are well up. Again, bots are off automatically because I've exceeded the daily goal. You guys that are in the afternoon session, the 1 o'clock session, there's a bot trade somewhere. I do not know where, but I'll find it. CL. You guys that are in the afternoon session, we have a couple days left in the session. Do you guys want to finish out the week or call it? The afternoon has been pathetic. Pathetic. I've not done any trades. It's up to you guys. We'll finish. That's fine. I have nothing to do and nowhere to go. Come on, let's go. I hit your goals. See you tomorrow, Rich. And all day to get there. Exactly right. And all day to get there. Crude down here. The first target is 25 ticks. Don't know that we can or cannot get that. It's at 17. I guess we can. 30 is an impediment on the way down, but let me see what crude looks like, fellas. Oh, God, crude could come down a long way. I'll take ES long again over 20. $21 if it gets there. You need $300 to get your 5th combine pass today? I'm trying. I like, if we reclaim 2021 area, here's crude on the bot. I don't know that if it breaks here, it's coming down zippity doo dah, like zippity doo dah. Should get that first target. Tell me that hit first target and didn't fill it. I believe it did. Hit 18. No, one tick miss. Come on, seriously? 3, 4 more ticks? You can't give me 4 more ticks to the downside? Come on. All right. I'll take one off and let it go. NASDAQ can get back to out on crude, break even on the runner. I got nothing else here, guys. I just don't have anything I can do. Is there anybody not making money? Do I have anybody down, losing money? Is there anybody losing money? If you're down sim trading, I don't care. If you haven't traded, I don't care. Is there anybody that is red? Okay. But I mean, that's a tough position to be in, Paul. You're green on multiple accounts and down on one. So for me, as far as I'm concerned, that's green. I don't have much. You're up $105. You're green. I mean, you see how slow we are. Oy vey. You can cancel this. I think the next logical target now is 3,900. So here's where we're at, guys. NASDAQ's off 52 points. ES is still up 4 handles. YM's up 100. EMD, Russell, still green. VIX futures are actually down, basically flat, but VIX cash is up 0.5%. I mean, the VIX isn't giving us any indication we're going to get Plutoed. You green across the board, Ricky? We're headed down to 935, plus 230, plus 320, plus 395. Okay. Crude got blasted. Blasted. Looks to come lower. Looks like they're going to sell them off today, fellas. ES is now flat on the day. YM coming down. I have nothing at this level, at these levels. I don't know if we get there again. I mean, I would buy it too, because I believe we'll bounce there. But just looking at equities, Apple's off a buck, AMD's down 2.5, Adobe down, Applied Material, Amazon, Baidu all down. Boeing's up $5. eBay's down. Microsoft off 3. Nvidia down 2, almost $3. Tesla's down. Bank stocks are up. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America. Well, Wells Fargo is down 10 cents, but I'll be right back. I'm back, folks, and missed nothing. Take that. And missed nothing. This doesn't look good here, fellas. Guys, well, we do have a bot trade on gold. Looks like we got first target off on gold. Another winner. But not second target yet. Oh, and I have a gold. I've got, what do I have on? No, it's on here. It's on the 3 minute. $12 ticks, first target. Russell's not taking a trade today, which is odd. Very interesting. Russell? I didn't show Russell. Oh, yeah, you're right. My apologies. It took a failed long. You are correct. Guys, we're coming to 9:35 if anybody wants to short this for 20 handles. NASDAQ, 9:35 target. Yes, we're almost to target here. We just missed. Come on, 2 more ticks? Seriously, I can't get 2 ticks out of it? You're not going to give me the last 2 ticks. Guys, we're only down 60 points in the NASDAQ. We're up 2 in the ES. Up 90 in the YM, EMD, Russell up. NASDAQ is... missed by 2 ticks on this candle. $30 seconds, give or take, to the next 15-minute bar. Nice job today, Carl. Crude bouncing back a bit. NASDAQ guys at 3,500 net sellers. Still short, fellas. But I mean, we're not, even with all this, net selling, look at how close this came. One tick to target and missed. NASDAQ, I have a target, guys, at 935, which is where I believe we head. If you're down, that's a trade. 935 target. You don't like it, don't take it. Come on, gold. I mean, the sucker is what, 3 ticks to target? 4 ticks? Anybody take that short when I said it on NASDAQ? 935. Call it 37 just to be on the safe side. 937. Okay, Jeff. There's your $300, Jeff. Let's call this target here, 937. Nice job, Sam Beer from 62. Are you kidding me? You come to 42, 5 handles. There you go, Jeff. 5th Apex account for the day. Nice job. Come on, 937. Let's go. There is no other coaching group. There is no other coaching group, Mark. The group that I was doing at 11:15, I am no longer doing and will not do. Here's the deal, guys. If you can't understand my trade calls at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the morning, you can't understand them at 11:15. They're the same trades. The identical same trades. All I did was an extra week for guys that needed some help. And we got a bunch of those people funded. But what I thought was some 20-odd people, I ended up with 54 in the group. And you know what happened? The same thing that happens in this room. Some of you try to outthink or outsmart me. I don't like that trade. Ergo, I'm not taking it. Oh, God, it was a winner. How many people didn't take this trade when I gave it? All right, I didn't get my target at 41. I missed by 4 handles. Okay, close enough for hand grenades. But how many people passed on this trade because you didn't like it? That's fine. Y'all are individuals, and that's your prerogative to pass. But when people tell me I'm struggling or I'm down or I'm not funded, I can't get a funded account, it's because you're not taking trades. It's coming to 37. I guarantee it. But again, many of you in the room try to out-trade me or maybe outthink me. You can't. When you can, I'll give you a mic and you can start calling trades. and I don't mean that in an egotistical or arrogant way. I'm going to take losing trades, guaranteed. I'm going to have losing trades. But it's rare that we have losing days. It is very rare that we have losing days. It happens, but so my personal time, Mark, at 11:15 is better suited doing something else, especially in June, July, and August when the market. I mean, if you think this is slow, after Europe closes at 11:30, it is positively torturous. But again, how many guys passed the short up here? You know, I'm not asking, this is more rhetorical. Anybody that was down should have been short. I mean, order flow is telling me we are shorts. We're right back into yesterday's chop your hand off range in the ES. Right back into the same garbage chop range. I'm going to get that damn 37. So watch the ES here for a break back above 3,900. I'll try it at 01. You know, this could be a took profit. Nice job, Lori. I cannot believe I didn't get my 30. I missed by what? 7 ticks. There it is. 37 got my target. I am like the Canadian Mounties. How about that? Booyah. Anybody hold it to 37? I still think you come lower. That's right. I get my tick. Nice job, Peter. I still think we can come lower, guys. Look at your delta. 4,200, almost 300. They're not sending in any buyers yet. Nice job, Randy. Runner on 8 accounts. You have a runner going on 8 accounts, is what you're saying? Nice job. Yeah, I would think the same thing, Mimi. I would think that they're waiting to trap the European traders. I think this is a fake, on the ES at least. I think it's a fake breakdown again, but I could be wrong. That gold trade is just sitting there, and it is doing nothing. All right, there's ES. So my first target on ES, it's dang target. I'll try to get 037. Let me try to get 04. I'm in at 01. Try to get 04. 3 handles on one. We could come and back test 97. I mean, 3,900 is the war, right? It was all day yesterday. Yeah, this should be good for at least 5 handle bounce. We've pulled it. We're pulling the 68 lower. Got some block sellers that just came in here. 70. Who took the 01? Who's long 01? All right, there's 3 handles, guys. I mean, it's not setting the world on fire, but it's a trade. KJLG. Oh, it's free. Okay, guys. Where's our next target? Mine is 18, just below that 20 resistance. Now, I don't know that I can get there, but if you guys want a lottery trade, 39.50 cost. You could even go 39.30 calls for today. If you want a lottery ticket. If you guys want to do something small, an option trade, a couple of contracts, it's probably cheap. do. I'll tell you what, we'll make a hell of a move if we get through this 10 swing, fellas. This will make a move. We get through 10, this thing is off. Again, our resistance is going to be 20 again. Above that, 30. Above 30, we go. So if you guys, like options and you want a lottery ticket, you could buy 39.20s, 39.30s are probably pretty cheap for today. Bought SPX 39.15s for $6.80. Nice. You'll sell those for $10 probably in 30 minutes. Easy. Deepak, I think if you get through 10, those are going to be a double or better. Back test 03. Guys, it's 11 o'clock. This is where the bus gets off. I'm done for the day, fellas. It's been another remarkable day. You're welcome, Don. Bots had a torrid day again. You're welcome, Jason. Bots had a torrid day. And we're going to have an order for a bot trade into the close. I don't know what it is. It's Russell. Let's see what Russell wants to do. I think we go upski. You're welcome, Yucca. I'm telling you guys, we get through 10. Guys, bots are up better than $1,400, pending the conclusion of this trade. I don't think this is anything. It's just a back test here, 3,900 back test. Those of you that are with me at 1 o'clock, I'll see you in a couple hours. Promises to be an uber slow day. The rest of you, I will see tomorrow, Wednesday at 8 a.m. Hard to believe we're done for the morning, but I will see all of you guys at 8 a.m. My trials, I thank you. If you guys that are here on trial want to see the video of the session, I post every day to YouTube. So this video, like yesterday's and 3.5, 4 years before it, are posted to YouTube if you guys want to see the session again. Guys, be blessed. I will see all of you tomorrow, 8 a.m. 1 o'clock, guys. See you in 2 hours.